In today's video, I'm going to tell you how to make attractive video so the people will watch your video at the end. So my name is Milind and you're watching our channel Milind's Perception. So without wasting any further time, let's get started. So in this video, I'm going to tell you that how you can make your videos interestingly so the people are going to watch it at the end, and in this way you will also get the watch time, and if the person like your video, he is going to like it and subscribe to your channel. So I'm going to give you 5 tips to make your video interesting. So the number 1 tip is very important, that is that you can use graphics in your YouTube video. So how you can going to use graphics in your video? So you can use the lower third like this, and you can also show the bell icon and subscribe button like this, and again you can also put some images here, or you can make some signs here, and again you can see that at the right corner of my video you can see the subscriber button is there. So you can also put that subscribe button is there. So I'm going to tell you that how you, in the next video I'm going to tell you that how you can put these subscriber button as a branding, and you can also watch it on various YouTube channels and YouTube videos. And again you can also put some transition, so the transition also helps you, so it will make very Now the number 2 is you can add some music in your video, because you can see that little bit music in this video also. So this music also helps your channel to the people so they can watch it, because it makes some interesting music. You can also see in my intro that there is some music, so you can add different kind of music, so make your intro something different. It depends on the category of your channel, so you can make some intros. I will give you some examples right now. Apart from these intros, you can also put music entire video, but you must be cautious that your volume of your music should be little bit less than your voice, otherwise the people will irritate and they are not going to watch your video and they will skip. So the music adds the excitement and the people get excited to watching your videos. Number 3, you can also add some video clips in your videos, and by adding some video clips you can also make video without showing your face. Now you can see me, my face is there, but you can also make some kind of video clips and you can make an entire video, and there are so many video channels they are using these things. And again when you use some video clips and if you commit any mistake while speaking, so you can also solve that problem while showing the another video inside your video. Number 4 is images. You can see on the left corner my image, my channel image, my photo is there, and there is written Milind Perception. So such kind of images you can use, or again you can use a different kind of images. Here I have added some images, you can see on the right corner, so you can also get the idea, and that makes your video interesting. Number 5 is editing. So editing is a very important thing. If you are a small YouTuber and you have a very that the less computer, or you don't have MacBook, or you are using the Windows phone, so I will recommend you to go for Filmora software, and that software is very important because I also edit my videos from Filmora software. So proper editing, making your voice properly, making your that all the things properly, so it gets the organism, and your video after editing becomes very good. So you must focus on the editing. So I hope that you got that how you can make your video interestingly so the people can watch it at the end, and in this way you also gain the watch time and also gain the subscriber. So if you are new to my YouTube channel, please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon so you can get such kind of videos regularly. Thank you very much for watching.